In this video, I'm going to be showing you the simple steps at which I use ChatGPT to generate my prompt, in which I use in CapCut AI to generate my AI videos. As you can see here, I went to ChatGPT and I gave it a prompt, generate a prompt that I can put in CapCut AI video maker explaining how to calculate pips, forex, metals, etc. Like I just told it to do all these things, so it gave me a prompt that I'm going to put in CapCut AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this prompt, take it to CapCut AI, paste it, and we'll see how the video is going to be generated. So I'm going to copy the prompt, this, copy, and I'm going to open my CapCut, and I'll show you how I make the video using CapCut AI video maker. Yeah. So once you come to your CapCut AI, you go to this part here, AI video maker, then you click on it. So once you click on it, you see this part here. So I made, when I was recording the video, I made a mistake. So I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to, you can click on any style you want. So you can use this style. Then based on, because I'm doing it like a short video, I'm going to click on this ratio for short 9:16 instead of 16:9. Then I'll now paste my prompt here. So once I paste my prompt, I'll just click on this and it's going to generate a template on how my video is going to look like. Then I'm going to edit it to my taste, put the voiceovers and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you soon once it generates it. So you can see this is my voice here, but I can also change it. I can change it to some of the voices that are there already on the, I can click on one voice, then it will show me to preview, welcome, it will preview the voice. Guess that was loud. You can choose a female voice or anyone. So let me just try this one. Welcome to, so that's the, I'm picking that voice. Let me pick it. Then I can change it from this to TikTok, the platform I'm going to be posting it on. Change it from TikTok to YouTube, then the ratio to this. Then all I need to do is to click on this to generate the video. Then to take some time to generate it. So I'm going to show you the video I generated. I used the same format. So I'm going to show you how it's generated, how the video looks like. So yeah, you can see that it has generated all the images and the media. So let me play it for you to see. Let's see how it goes. It's a 2-minute video.
You know how traders calculate profits using pips in forex, gold, crypto, and other markets? Let's break it down. Step by
The
a
quality is
pip
always
stands
bad when
for
you
percentage
are
and point,
generating it at first,
representing
but
the
when you
smallest
export it,
price
the
movement
quality
in
will be
most
better
currency pairs. For
when
example,
using AI.
your USD moves from 1.100 to 1.105. That's 5 pips. To calculate pips in forex,
Generated the video, you can see how it was generated clean by using a prompt from ChatGPT and putting it in CapCut AI video maker and adjusting the voiceover and basically minor things that you can easily do, and your video is ready and you can post it on YouTube, TikTok, or wherever, Instagram, wherever you want to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share to those who might need it. And see you in the next one. Bye.